All right, here's a quick off-the-cuff video on how to configure your chart. So some further questions on how to configure your chart, configure your Parashara's light so that it looks like this. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to birth chart here, click there, and you're going to get, sorry, there's some noise from outside on the street. You're going to get an option of the dimensions you want. So when you click on each one, you'll see it'll give you, like this is 4x5, so you can put more stuff on the left, more stuff on the right. This is 4x4, and it gives you more room down here. If you want less busyness, you can go 3x3. You can see it's bigger stuff. 3x2 gives you less. So the less you have here, look, this is just the 2x2. The less you have, the less options you have. I like somewhere in between. This is my setting, 4x3. So I'm gonna click OK here. Now to go to different pages, this is page 1. I'm gonna click the down arrow. Watch this. Down arrow takes me to page 2 on my keyboard. Up arrow takes me back to page 1. Up arrow again takes me to page 300, which is the last page. And I've configured these in different ways. So when I talk to people who are South Indian and they're used to the South Indian chart, boom, I've got the South Indian main chart and Navamsha. But I also at the same time have the North Indian main chart and Navamsha. So sometimes when teaching, this is very useful. So this is a screen I've set up. So how can you set up your own screen? Okay, I'm gonna up arrow again, go to screen 299, 298, 297. You can see these are all pre-set up. Oh, there's one that's blank, and you'll probably have some blank ones up in the high 200s, okay? And so now if I click here, it's already set, this is set up for 3x3 charts. Okay, let's just keep it there. I can change it later. I could go 4x3, 3x4, whatever I want. But let's keep it a 3x3. Click anywhere. I'm gonna click here, left click. And it asks me, what do I want to put? Well, I'm going to put the chart with the degrees and keep it, make it the birth chart. Click OK. And there it is. Now let's say I want the dashas here, the timing. I'll go here, click dasha, birth chart, everything here remains the same. Boom. Okay, but that's too little. So I'm going to click on this box again, left click, and I'm going to click. See, it's default dimensions, but I want to make it longer. So I'm going to do this. Click 1x2, and you can play around with what each of these does. Boom, 1x2 makes it longer. And there we go. Now I have a longer period of dashas. If I want it even longer, I'll go 1x3. Boom, it takes the whole page. All right, so let's just keep it there. Now down here, I can fill it with anything else. Maybe I want planetary info. To default, you click out of all of these and it'll do the default setting, which is right there, the default size. Okay, let's say I like that. Click here again. Let's say I want the yogi and the avayogi, which is down here. There's the yogi dagda. I'm gonna leave this unclicked so it'll fit it automatically. Boom, there it is. So now I've got my screen set up. But wait, maybe this isn't enough info. Now I can go back in here, click 4x3 charts, and look what it did. It gave me more space. See, this is what I like. Okay, let's see. Maybe I want the Navamsha, D9 here. So chart, birth, Navamsha. Okay, boom, default. Let's say I want the degrees in the Navamsha. I'm going to click chart with degrees. Look, it's going to go to 2x2. I don't want that. See how it made it big? I'm going to click here, unclick this, make it the default size. Boom, there's my Navamsha with degrees. Let's do the Chaturtamsha, because people always ask me about moving. When am I going to move, have a home? Yeah, this is good. We'll put the degrees in there. You don't have to have the degrees. Let's click out of here. Boom. And let's do one more subchart, the Dashamsha, because everyone's asking about career. And we'll just leave this one without degrees, just because. All right, so there you go. That's how you can set up your screen. I hope this was helpful. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me. All right, take care.